Alright guys, it's about time to do a maintenance. This is how we clean out one of the units. First of all, we gotta power them off. See these screws right here? You have to come off all of them. Let me do that. This one has screws here too, so watch out with these. The back is hot. Here's where the belt is at. That's the motor. If it's a little dirty, you know, we just wipe it down, clean them, whatever. No big deal. All this dirt right here, just clean it, get out of the way. Be perfect. Okay, this is how to take off the belts. Like that. So easy. See? Put the belts right here. Throw the old one out. Put the new one in. This is a AX39 belt. From Gates. Which is the best belt you can get, I think. Okay, spray the coils with Simple Green. That's what we use. Everybody else can use whatever the heck they want. Use Simple Green, the industrial kind. These are hand tablets. I'll pour on this one. I'll pour 5. A little bigger unit. It's 1 tablet per ton, but I just, anybody can put basically whatever. This is like a 7 ton. I'm not gonna put the 7, then the course. The filters, these are really, really dirty, but we don't clean filters. My job doesn't do that, so. Unless it's like freaking out, somebody complains or whatever. And then we spray these coils as well. I already took this off. Go ahead and spray it. Spray it down with the power off. You don't want to get electrocuted or whatnot. Last thing you want. Spray the other side. know? Spray, 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 clean, clean, clean. Clean this shit out. Oh, comes all that bad shit comes out. Straight shot. The way they created it. Flow. And next time while it's flowing, so you can see it if it's going down in the way it's supposed to, not bloody when it comes to drain time. And everything's fine, everything's flowing, it's clean as shit. I didn't even have to scrape these, they were already clean. See, this one has an economizer, so it's built into it. So we go ahead and spray a little bit of this. You know, this is an economizer where it sucks up the air. So a little dirty. See all that dirt? Well, there it is. No big deal. You see? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. And then I'll be back. I brought more. Economizers, louvers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen these where they were a little stuck. These are not see it, but it's good to use these. Here's another video from me, Hvac 87, and I'm about to put a boiler pump that it was the seals were broken, so I gotta sand this down. I already got it replaced, the seals replaced, so now I'm just sanding it down and installing it back together. It takes a while. So see, I redid some of it before I started this video. Basically, I gotta make it all smooth. See, I fucked that up right there. And I fucked it up right there. But it's alright, no big deal. That's on all these edges down, make it look all nice. Nice and smooth like this. Alright. And I'm gonna come back when I already install it, alright? Here's the pump I'm going to install. Alright, bye. Well, here we got it, guys. I have installed it already. Here's the motor. See? Fucker give me the wrong screws. And I was fucking the threads up because that dumbass fucking asshole don't know how to give me screws correctly. Whatnot, so I use the old ones. Still good. Tighten this up already. This shit ain't moving nowhere. See, there's a coupling right here. Motor spins it. There's a water pump. It goes circle like that. See? This is a boiler pump, anyways. Just to let you guys know. Let's go start this bad boy. See if it leaks. I hope not. But we'll find out. Okay, that's up. Okay. You leaking? You leaking? No. Not forget to turn the boiler on. Fire, bitch. It's too hot outside, so I ain't gonna turn on. I'm curious to see if it does. Oh, let me turn on this. Oh, here it's sparking right now. I gotta turn the units to 55 cooling mode. Maximum, I have it on 60 because I have the boiler down. So I go to set points. You have it on 60. You're gonna lower it to 55. You're gonna push enter. And then you're gonna go to status. And then it's gonna be a cooling mode right there. Same to the other unit too. Boiler's on! Oh, duh. The disconnect. Disconnect, that's why it's not on. Okay, so now it should turn on. Come on, bitch. Wait a minute now. Woo, fucking hot. Oh guys, this is how you install a boiler pump on a boiler, Ajax boiler. So Until next time, peace out. Fucking sick. Part of my job. Old ass fucking unit. Fuck. This is a big ass roof. It's coming from my lunch break. There's a units have been taken out. They have a warehouse down there now, so a lot of fucking units they took out. These are units that don't work. So the disconnect off on the off position because they don't work. And they just need to take them out, but they don't have money yet. There's so many. And way over there too. This one works. And fuck, I forgot to get a belt for my van. But who gives a fuck? I'll get it later. Tomorrow. Okay. Cool. Alright. All the fucking units over there. Pretty crazy. I use this as my little ladder to get these. That's how fucking awesome I am, so yeah. I need to do these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units at least by today. Will I do it? Fuck yeah, because I'm awesome. Now I hope I will. Got these ones. Got all of motherfuckers, see? Yeah, the big ass roof. Give me like fucking 3 days to do all this roof. But I'll do it. My fucking bucket right here because it was raining earlier. I didn't want to get my gun all wet. I'll just put it under here. I'm gonna start off with this. My fucking tools. All my tools. All the other stuff. Exhaust fans, I already got all those already. Belt's already on there. I did that in the morning. Way over there. Alright. This is what I do. OG. Alright then. Peace out.